Alright, we're back at it again with a new daily kata, and this is 6Q called split strings, and as promised it contains regular expressions in its tags. That's because we're focusing now on regular expressions. So let's read it. Complete the solution so that it splits the string into pairs of 2 characters. If the string contains an odd number of characters, then it should replace the missing second character of the final pair with an underscore, like here, C and underscore. Examples. Let's try. Now, the first thing I would have number like the first one would be use the split method, and in the split method use like regex, like for example two words, for example. Use this, something like this. Use something like this for for the regex pattern. All right. Is there anything that I can think of? Yeah. Maybe loop through every word and have a counter that counts to 2, and if the counter is 1, create new list element. If counter is 2, append to previous list element, and if there is no more characters in string, append to the last one. Do I have a third one? So we need to split the string or divide the string. So count the number of characters, divide the number by 2 2 rounded down, divide by the number of 2, and make x list elements from that number. Make x list elements so that you always take the first two characters from a string, and even more, split string characters into a list, and then this is the fourth idea. Now I'm listing out ideas, and then mutate. Oh, you mutate or make another list where you fill its where you make its elements by taking two elements from the first list at a time. So let's try this one. If you just say single characters, we just say s split, and then we say solution is an empty list for let's say for length of single character divided by 2 for every this for a for pair in length single characters for range. Or no, just for pair in single characters, I guess. Do is you just take you just say you just say maybe this would be better with a while loop, you know, but I don't really use the while loop often. As I heard, it's it's preferable to not use a while loop, but I know that's like a really caricature advice given to the newbies. So let's say while true, let's say solution append and then say f string single characters, the 0th one, and single characters the first one, and also single character pop. The 0th one, single characters pop the first one. And then we just say print solution. So let's see. Okay, function has no attribute append. Oh, what a bamboozle. Solution. Soluton. Alright, let's just say pair characters over here also pair characters. List index out of range. Alright. Let's see how many iterations does this go through. Let's say loop once for this example. Really? Just once? List index out of range. Just say like the 0th one, and it says like even at the first iteration it breaks, apparently. Like just goes here and then like breaks right over here. Let's print out this thing. Let's print out single. I mean, I have it in the clipboard. Yeah. Let's see it. Okay. We need to split it. We need to press this because split method automatically only splits at the spacebar in the string. Empty separator. Alright, that's confusing. How do you, come on, how do you then do this? So Python make list from string. Yeah, we looked at that not too long ago. Print. Alright. String. Ask Python. Type list. We just like call list on it. So we say list s test. Alright, loop, and then pop index out of range. And and then we can say oh my god, yeah, we can make like this, try this, and accept do so it wants to pop the second one and it doesn't go through, if I'm correct. I mean, I started fixing it, without even knowing what's up. So let's just say let's just print out. Let's just move this print statement over here, and let's see where it breaks. Print, and let's just say f this is the pair list and this is the single list. I still have it in the clipboard. Now the thing is, this can be a little confusing because I did this before, like after appending and before popping. So let's just do it like this. So can I expand this a little bit? No? Yes? No? Alright, so we have this is the pair list 0 and this is the alright, it does it correctly. And then ASCF. Oh, there's an anomaly in the system, like we just okay, because right now it should be ASDFAD and it's ASSFFD, because when you pop the first element, then the first element becomes what was before the second element. So actually we want to pop the first element 2 times. Alright, so this time we did it correctly, and then it just list index out of range. And then that's when I thought while true would just exit the loop, like Python loop until you get an index error. Yes. Newbie while loop error. Yeah. Alright. While this is still so let's say while length of single character list is greater than 1, zero. Well, this is greater than 0, do that. And we also want to just try this. And catch an exception. Well, there will be an empty one, and we just say except, and then we just say pair characters append, and then we say f. Again, still have it in the clipboard luckily, and the underscore, and after that just wanna return pair characters. Hopefully this will work. Yay, test passed. Oh, this is a long one. Wow, no way, man. What's wrong? Oh, something's wrong. Oh yeah. This also needs to pop it off, you know, pop. Like 0, yeah? No. It still doesn't work. It still says this thing should equal this. So what's the anomaly? Ah, it's just like this variable expresses the whole list. I just want an element of the list. The first one, everything is passes, and again, everything is green. Look, correctamundo. You may take your time to refactor, comment your solution, submit when ready. Alright, let's comment this out. Print statement was helpful. We had like how is this different? Like count the number of characters, divide the number by 2. We avoided the counting by intelligently defining the while loop. Loop through every word, have a counter that constitutes 2. Yeah. Alright. Use the split method, use something like, alright. I'm really like, I don't really see a better way to do than this. So let's see. Is there anything that we could have done better? Single characters, like make a list out of it. And then just pop. Maybe these things like pop 2 times. Does pop function, let's see, does it take multiple parameters? Tutorials point. I just wanted the official. I just want the official one, you know, Python documentation. Yeah. Why? Tutorials point. I don't want tutorials point. I want I want this one, you know. And write pop over here. Array pop, yes. Removes the item with the index I. The optional argument defaults to -1. Okay. So apparently pop only takes 1 parameter, and we just see remove the first occurrence of x from an array, from file, from bytes count, byte swap. Python pop 2 times in a row. Yeah, pop multiple items. Any other alternatives are equivalent. They are around 3 times faster than the first solution for in range my list pop. Okay, I haven't really got to the fastness level. So yeah, let's just attempt it again now that we've changed it. Alright, everything is green, and then we just submit it. I think it's a readable solution. Yeah, I'll take a pause now and I'll wrap up this video. So it's submitting it, and let's see. Thanks for Jay Hoffner for making this kata. Alright, so this, the voted best practice and the cleverest one. Result is an empty one, just like we did, but it didn't split the character. So says if the length is odd, then okay, if the length of the string is odd, then add the underscore in the beginning, so that makes it even. But then for I in range 0, length 2, then just append to the result the this is a string, and then you just put the first, like from the 0th to the 2nd element. I mean, that looks pretty interesting. Alright, wow, this is really nice one. Look, these guys used regular expressions actually. Just said return, find all, and then everything but two of them, and S plus this. This is clever. So like I understand the dot and 2, and apparently find all, this thing also accepts the second parameter. If there is not two of them, it just takes from this one. Wow, like this is a really good one, you know, this looks really good. Alright, thank you for watching and have a good day.